2. That's what most banks offer. Them and you. And that's fine. But what if a bank was able to offer you more? That little bit extra that isn't so little. What if a bank offered you 3? 3 is more than 2. Most people would rather have 3 of something than 2 of something. Third time's the charm after all, and luck comes in 3s. Even atoms are made of 3, and atoms make up everything. 3 gives you more choices than 2 ever will. More ideas on the table, more tables. 3 is odd. Odd goes against the grain. 2 is even. 3 is what you count to right before something big is about to happen. 3 is something 2 can never even begin to offer. ABSA Capital and you, backed by the global resources of Barclays Capital. The power of 3.